Hello friends, most welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the past progressive tense. We will discuss about the components, the structural formulas, examples, and the daily life uses of the past progressive tense. Okay, first of all, let's discuss its definition. The past progressive tense is used to describe an ongoing action that took place in the past. It is found by using the auxiliary verb was or were followed by the present participle, the base verb plus ing. Okay, it is important to note that the past progressive tense is often used to describe an ongoing action that was happening at a specific point in the past or to describe two or more actions that were happening simultaneously in the past. Okay, the grammatical components of the past progressive tense include the subject plus the auxiliary verbs plus the present participle. Okay, the subject includes I, we, you, she, he, it, and they. The auxiliary verbs was and were is used in the past progressive tense. Okay, the auxiliary verb was is used with singular subjects like he, she, it, or a singular noun, and the auxiliary verb were is used with plural subjects like we, you, they, are plural nouns. Okay, the present participle. The suffix ing is added to the base verb to indicate an ongoing action. Okay, additional words or phrases are also used in the past progressive tense, and they indicate the duration of the actions. For example, I was studying all night for the exam. Okay, let us discuss about the structural formulas in the past progressive tense. Number first is the affirmative sentence, and the formula of the affirmative sentence in the past progressive tense is subject plus was or were plus present participle plus the rest of the sentence. Okay, number second is the interrogative sentence, and the formula is was or were plus subject plus present participle plus the rest of the sentence plus the question mark. Okay, number third is the negative sentence, and the formula is the subject plus was or were plus not plus present participle plus the rest of the sentence. Okay, number fourth is the negative question or the negative interrogative sentence, and the formula is was or were plus subject plus not plus present participle and plus the rest of the sentence and the sign of interrogation. So according to these formulas, we can make sentences in this past progressive tense. Okay, number first is the affirmative sentence. And the formula is the subject plus was or were plus present participle. For example, she was watching TV. They were playing basketball. The birds were chirping. I was cooking dinner. Okay, the next one is the interrogative sentence, and the formula is was or were plus subject plus present participle. And we can make sentences according to this formula. For example, were you studying last night? Was she working late? Were they watching a movie? Were the kids playing outside? Okay, the next one is the negative sentence, and the formula is the subject plus was or were plus not plus present participle, and we can make sentences according to this formula. For example, he was not listening to music. We were not eating at the restaurant. It was not raining outside. They were not talking to each other. Okay, the last one is the negative question, or we can say the negative interrogative formula. And the formula is was, were plus subject plus not plus present participle. and plus the established sentence with the sign of interrogation. And we can make sentences according to this formula. For example, were you not listening to me? Was not she watching TV? Were not they playing soccer? Was not it snowing earlier? Okay, let's discuss about the practical uses of the past progressive tense. The past progressive tense is used for describing ongoing actions that were interrupted. It is used for portraying actions happening at a specific time in the past. It is used for depicting simultaneous actions in the past. It is used for narrating ongoing actions in storytelling, for expressing habitual or repeated actions in the past, describing actions in progress during a specific time frame, talking about temporary situations in the past, recounting actions with changing circumstances, expressing actions that were in progress when another event happened, and reporting events happening in the background. Okay, let us give examples of the real life uses of the past progressive tense. Number first is describing ongoing actions that were interrupted. For example, I was cooking dinner when the phone rang. They were walking in the park when it started to rain. He was reading a book when his friend called him. Number second is portraying actions happening at a specific time in the past. For example, at 10 p.m. last night I was attending a yoga class. Yesterday afternoon we were shopping for groceries. This time last year they were traveling to Europe. Okay, number third is depicting simultaneous actions in the past. For example, while she was studying for her exam, her brother was playing video games. We were having dinner while watching a movie. They were singing and dancing at the party. Okay, number four is narrating ongoing actions in storytelling. For example, the sun was setting as they walked along the beach. She was running late for her flight and panicking. He was talking loudly on his phone while commuting. Okay, number fifth is expressing habitual or repeated actions in the past. For example, every morning I was drinking coffee before leaving for work. They were always arguing about politics during family gatherings. I was often playing basketball with my friends after the school. Okay, number six is describing actions in progress during a specific time frame. For example, at 5 p.m. yesterday, she was painting a beautiful landscape. We were having a picnic in the park all afternoon. They were singing songs at the concert for 2 hours straight. Okay, number seven is talking about temporary situations in the past. For example, last summer he was living in a small beachside cottage. They were staying in luxurious hotel during their vacation. It was raining heavily, so we were waiting inside the cafe. Okay, number 8 is recounting actions with changing circumstances. For example, the movie was getting more exciting as it reached the climax. The crowd was cheering louder as the team scored a goal. She was getting more nervous as the interview went on. Okay, number 9 is expressing actions that were in progress when another event happened. For example, he was reading a book when the doorbell rang. I was cleaning the house when the power went out. They were talking on the phone when the call was disconnected. Okay, number 10 is reporting events happening in the background. For example, while they were laughing, I was quietly working on my assignment. She was talking to her friend while the TV was playing in the background. The children were playing in the garden while their parents were preparing dinner. Okay, thanks for watching the video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. I will be much thankful.